Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can play Roblox on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play Roblox on your computer. Very easy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for roblox.com, and here what you're going to do is you're going to select any game that you want to play. So for example, if I want to play Bloxburg, I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to click on this play icon. And here you have the button to download Roblox. So just click on that button, click keep on here. You can go ahead and install it. And now it's installing on our computer. And once it's done installing, now you can go ahead and sign your account in. And once you're done signing in, then you can come here and click onto this play icon here. And there you have it. Now you can go ahead and play your Roblox games. So that's how easy it was to download and install Roblox on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.